Hey guys! So we're still trying out this format just because I really like it, but this is going to be our daily agenda for February 8th, Monday, February 8th, 2021. So today we are going to be covering our pre-reading for The Outsiders. We are starting The Outsiders this week. Our essential question for the day is going to be, what are the barriers that hold us back from communicating with one another and forming strong, lasting relationships? Sorry about that. For today, we are going to go ahead and start with our quill. You guys should be getting to the end of your quill pack, so let me know if you guys are, so we can assign you your new quill packs. We are going to be kind of moving into The Outsiders with some visual analysis, part 2, the electric boogaloo. I know a lot of you guys really liked when we did our visual analysis the first time, so we're going to do a little bit more today. And then we're going to be talking about stereotypes. So we're going to be doing some stereotype statements, and then our exit ticket for the day. Homework is to read for 30 minutes. Today is going to be for odds. And then reminders, Spirit Week is this week, so go ahead and dress up and participate and show some of that Mendez pride. We are going to be using Jamboard for today, so just letting you know. Alright, so this is moving on to our visual analysis, part 2. So I'm going to be showing you these two pictures right here, and I'm actually going to be asking you guys, what do you observe from these two images? What do you observe in this first image, image 1 right here, and then what do you observe in image 2? What are these people wearing? What do you think they talk about? What kind of jobs do you think they have? What age do you think they are? What are their priorities? So I'm going to ask some of these questions for you guys, and then I'm also going to ask, sorry guys, it has a, yeah, I love technology. And then I was going to ask you guys, what would you say if you knew that their names are socks? Or how would you guys pronounce that? I pronounce it socks, but how would you guys pronounce it? And then some people didn't pronounce it differently, but I pronounce it that way. And what would you name this group? What do you infer now that you know these names? So we're going to be covering a little bit of that. And then moving to our next slide. Afterwards, we are going to be jumping onto our Jamboard. So then just a little bit for you guys to look at. You guys are going to be making some generalizations on our Jamboard. Oh, that's your exit ticket. But as you can see, you guys are going to be making some generalizations. You guys are going to be kind of debating and arguing for today. So that's just a little bit of what we are doing. You guys are going to go through that questions together as a class, and we're really just going to spend that time talking about it to build that kind of analysis before we get into The Outsiders. And then our exit ticket, or what are some predictions we have? I really want to hear from you guys. What do you think the name The Outsiders means? Just what do you think? If you guys have any questions or need any help, of course, I'm here, Miss Arroyo is here, and Miss Reyes is here, and I'll see you guys in class. Have a good one.